All right, first YouTube video on the channel right here. We are trying the ORB strategy. I got my own little twist that I'm going to put on this strategy. See, and now with my strategy that I use, the first breakout is a fake out. We didn't, first of all, we didn't break out, so it's tempting to take a trade like this, but it doesn't meet the criteria of my strategy. So I'm not going to take it. It's just that simple, A candle or a wick, if a wick comes up here and the candle still closes below this, that's when you take the short position, cuz I've noticed a lot of the times exactly when that happens, more times than not it will not go back up. It'll continue going down to a previous low. So if I caught it right here and say it wicked up right below this line, say the wick came right here or like right here, I would set my stop loss right up here and I'd probably buy back in right here. It almost looks something like this, right? I would buy in at this level and say the wick came like right here. I would set it like this with about something like that. I like two candles. I like this to be like lined up with two candlesticks. Not too crazy. I'm going to lower it just to make it a perfect 2RR. This is usually the type of trade that I'm looking to take before I do what the original orb is. And it's like this most of the time will give me a pretty solid return because of just the nature of the trade. I feel like the first breakout is a fake out. They try to get you, boom, you're used as liquidity, bro. And it's just, I think this is a really good. I love 1 to 2s. I love like small 1 to 2s. I think I'm a scalper at heart, for real. I could short right now, and it would still almost be at the bottom with the 1 to 2, but I don't want to do that. It's too risky. Oh my God. All right. We've come up to the top. This is our time to shine. This looks like a absolutely beautiful trade setup. All right. This is very pleasing to my eyes. The first breakout might be a fake out, okay? But we never know. All right. We're looking for shorts right here. This is what we are looking for. All right. I'm shorting this right now.
Order filled.
Boom, just like that, we are in shorts. All right. So we are going to be risking, wow, holy shit, that's actually a lot of money for this one trade. I guess this is going to be my only trade. I didn't realize that it was going to be this much, to be honest. But this would be a terrible trade to lose. But I will definitely blow the account today trading orb, just because it's Friday. I'm feeling a little aggressive today. See, part of me, bro, I just get this feeling, man. I don't like. I just want to exit the trade, man. But I'm gonna stay in the trade, depending on how it looks. I don't know, because now we're getting a. It seems like people really want to be up here, but we could see another swing down. And 1400 is a crazy profit goal for right now. This is a really good trade for me to be in right now. Like if this works out and actually goes down here, it would be a crazy trade. But even if it comes up here, we'll still see a retracement, and then we can flip our position and take a little bit of a loss if this doesn't work out. But I still think it's a fake out. Still think it's a fake out because if we go to the 3 minute chart, the candle hasn't closed yet. It's about to close. But I think we're gonna see this is where most people lose in orb, right? Um they see one candle close outside the range and then they're like, "Oh my god, it just closed outside. We need to do this, blah blah. We need to do that." No. Um it's a fake out. So I'm just going to stick with that theory. It's a winning, it's won before. Its win rate is higher than 50%. And that's kind of what you want when you're doing one to twos. I feel like that's what I want. Now, if this is an engulfing candle, if this red candle engulfs a green one, that would be pretty lit to see. I would like to see that. That'd be a bear sign for sure, bro. That'd be just crazy. And I've learned a lot is you got to be holy. Oh my god. Yeah, see, this is exactly what I'm talking about. It is a fake out every time. And what if I lower my risk a little bit, or I could just hit break even? I don't know though. See, this is why I do bad because sometimes I'm like, oh, I wish I would have stayed in that trade, but I would only be losing $300, and I could probably, I don't know. Holy, watch that thing go! Oh my god. I kind of want to take 175 from this. This is a really good trade. Like this is a really good green trade in case my other thing doesn't work. Usually, I kind of just want to sit it out and put my stop loss back where it was, but I'd be mad at myself if I let this go. And it seems like it's just keep going down. Yeah, it's a lot of volume right there. I'm happy with 362. To be honest, I'm really happy with 362. This is why I love this strategy so much. I like when I was back testing it, it's actually kind of crazy. 537. We're gonna ride this way lower than this. If well, we can't really ride it way lower. I'm fine with taking. I'm gonna set it to 1500 exactly because that is my my profit target. So I'll take this. I'll take this. I'm only allowed to get 1500 a day on this combine or on this combine anyway, so I wouldn't be really be nothing do nothing too crazy. Yeah, dude, this strategy is wild. I love this strategy so much. I'm gonna keep I'm gonna keep trailing it. You know what I mean? 600 is really crazy off this trade anyway. Like
Order filled.
I'm happy with 600 off that. I got filled right here, and my stop loss was this. I think it's like right there. So I see. I could have kept riding the trade down, but $600 day is really good. So let's go look at my stats right now. Performance. I'm up this much, right? So I'm already 1/3 the way to passing the combine. Um, really good day right here. I did double yesterday. I might just end this today. All right, so this is pretty much the end of the video right here. If you enjoyed this content, comment something. If you have any questions, feel free to ask me. I'll definitely answer to all the comments. I have like 0 followers or subscribers right now, so if God forbid someone comments, I'll definitely end up answering. Join the Discord. Follow the Instagram if you want to stay updated on all my things. Discord, I'm trying to build a community for people who are trying to learn, and I hope you enjoyed. Just like that, I'm up. Um, yeah. Wow. See, I love trades like that. The first breakout is a fake out, and sometimes like I don't even want to risk this because this is really good progress on the day anyway. And if I were to wipe that all out, I'd be really mad at myself. So just like that, we're gonna end the day on a positive.